Let me get you closer.
Quiet on the set.
It's good. Go.
My name's Beth Banning, and I just finished Dale's Reiki Intensive. And I wanted to let you know how much I enjoyed it. I came to the class because I'm doing this, I don't have a lot of words to express it yet, but a spiritual awakening is the only words I can find for it. And I was hoping that the class would support that. And I can only say that it did in amazing ways. I'm thrilled I took it. And I think what I liked best about the class, because I'm a very busy person like most of us are, is that it was a 2.5 days. I mean, I loved that. I did my first level 1 about 15 years ago, and I've always wanted to get my master's. But as far as the time and the money and just the energy, I never wanted to do it. And Dale's seminar really is the whole package. It's like fast, it's very affordable, and the energy in the group was amazing. So if you consider taking the seminar at all, I would recommend it highly. And that's it for me.
That was great. That was better than the other one.
Yeah.